Do you know the early warning signs of kidney problems? Being aware of these signs can make a significant difference in managing your health. Understanding the importance of kidney health is crucial to overall well-being. Our kidneys, two bean-shaped powerhouses, work relentlessly to filter out waste and excess fluids from our bodies. They also play a vital role in regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and producing red blood cells. In essence, they're our body's very own non-stop detox center. However, like any hardworking machine, they're prone to wear and tear. Sometimes our kidneys can struggle and show signs of distress. The trick is to recognize these signs early on, as it can make a world of difference in managing your health. Early detection can prevent further damage and ensure proper treatment, keeping your kidneys and, by extension, you in tip-top shape. So, what are these early warning signs? Let's dive into it. The first early warning sign of kidney problems is changes in urination. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste from our blood and creating urine, so any changes in this process can be a telltale sign of trouble. You might start to notice variations in the frequency of your bathroom visits. Maybe you're going more often, or perhaps less. The volume can also fluctuate, from scanty amounts to unusually large quantities. The color of your urine can provide clues as well. Healthy urine is typically a light straw-like color. Dark, concentrated urine may indicate dehydration, but it could also be a symptom of kidney problems. Furthermore, the presence of blood or protein in the urine, known as hematuria and proteinuria respectively, can be signs of kidney disease. So, keep an eye out, or rather, a keen nose and a discerning eye on your toilet bowl. Any significant changes in your urination could potentially be a sign of kidney problems. The second warning sign is fatigue or weakness. Now let's unravel why that is. You see, our kidneys play an essential role in eliminating waste and toxins from our bloodstream, but when they're not functioning properly, these waste materials start to build up and our bodies become their unwilling hosts. Imagine running a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. That's how your body feels when it's lugging around this extra baggage of toxins. The result? You feel tired and weak, like you're always running on empty. You might also experience mental fatigue. Simple tasks may seem overwhelming, and even your favorite activities might feel like a chore. This isn't your typical end-of-the-day exhaustion. It's a persistent feeling of tiredness that doesn't improve with rest. It's like being stuck in a perpetual state of burnout. So, if you're feeling constantly fatigued or weak, it could be more than just a lack of sleep. Signs 3 to 5 revolve around swelling in hands, feet, or ankles, shortness of breath, and high blood pressure. We'll delve into how each of these symptoms is interconnected with kidney health. Let's start with swelling. This condition, known medically as edema, can be a telltale sign of kidney trouble. When your kidneys are functioning properly, they're working round the clock to remove excess fluid from your body. But if they're not up to par, this fluid can build up, leading to swelling in your hands, feet, or ankles. You might even notice a sudden weight gain. It's like your body's own alarm system, signaling that something might be off with your kidneys. Next on the list is shortness of breath. This might seem unrelated to the kidneys at first glance, but it's all connected. If your kidneys aren't effectively removing excess fluid, it can accumulate in unexpected places, like your lungs. This condition, known as pulmonary edema, can make breathing a struggle. So, if you find yourself out of breath after climbing just a few stairs or walking a short distance, your kidneys might be trying to send you a message. Last, but certainly not least, we have high blood pressure. Your kidneys play a pivotal role in regulating your blood pressure. When they're not functioning correctly, your blood pressure can spike. This is a vicious cycle because high blood pressure can, in turn, cause further damage to your kidneys. It's a bit like a domino effect, where one issue leads to another and another. These signs can often be overlooked, so it's important to take note if you're experiencing any of them. Recognizing these symptoms early on can help you seek medical attention and potentially prevent further damage to your kidneys. Remember, your health is in your hands. Take the time to listen to your body, as it may be subtly hinting at a bigger issue. Moving on, the 6th and 7th signs are nausea, vomiting, and changes in your skin. Now you might be wondering, what do the kidneys have to do with my stomach or skin? Well, when your kidneys aren't properly filtering waste from your blood, it can lead to a condition called uremia. This is essentially a high concentration of waste in your bloodstream, and it can make you feel pretty sick. You might experience persistent nausea, a loss of appetite, or even find yourself vomiting. Now, it's important to note that these symptoms can be caused by a multitude of things, not just kidney problems. But if you're also experiencing other symptoms on this list, particularly changes in urination or fatigue, it's worth talking to your doctor about the possibility of kidney disease. Moving on to the skin, the buildup of uremic toxins can cause some pretty noticeable changes. You might find that your skin is constantly itchy or that it's dry and flaky, no matter how much moisturizer you use. Again, these symptoms can be caused by many things, but in the context of kidney disease, they're often a sign of end-stage renal disease. This is a serious condition where the kidneys have lost almost all their function, and it requires immediate medical attention. So what should you look out for? Persistent itching that doesn't get better with regular moisturizing, especially if it's accompanied by dry, flaky skin. And if you're also experiencing other symptoms like nausea, vomiting, changes in urination, or fatigue, it's definitely time to talk to your doctor. Remember, your skin is your body's largest organ, and it can tell you a lot about what's going on inside your body. So don't ignore it. Pay attention to changes and don't be afraid to seek medical help if something doesn't seem right. Don't dismiss persistent nausea or changes in your skin. They could be indicating an issue with your kidneys. The last two signs on our list are muscle cramps and back pain. Let's delve into muscle cramps first. You know, those sudden, sharp contractions that ambush you in the dead of night, turning peaceful slumber into a cringe-worthy ordeal. What's interesting is that muscle cramps might actually indicate issues with your kidneys. You see, our kidneys play an essential role in maintaining the balance of electrolytes in our body, particularly calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are vital for muscle function, and when their balance is thrown off, muscle cramps can occur. This is especially common in individuals undergoing dialysis, a treatment that does an admirable job of filtering waste from the blood, but can also inadvertently disrupt electrolyte balance. Now let's move on to back pain. This isn't your garden variety stiffness from a poor night's sleep or a strenuous workout. Instead, we're talking about a persistent pain in your lower back or sides. This particular discomfort could be a signal that something's not quite right with your kidneys. Infections such as pyelonephritis can cause inflammation and pain in the kidney region. Kidney stones, those pesky crystalline formations, can also trigger intense pain as they navigate the urinary tract. Lastly, conditions like polycystic kidney disease, where fluid-filled cysts develop in the kidneys, can cause persistent pain and discomfort. It's important to remember, though, that these symptoms are not exclusive to kidney problems. They can be caused by a host of other conditions, from simple dehydration to muscular issues. However, if you're experiencing frequent muscle cramps or persistent back pain, especially if they're accompanied by other symptoms we've discussed, it might be wise to check in with your healthcare provider. Remember, early detection is key in managing kidney health. The sooner an issue is identified, the sooner it can be addressed, potentially preventing further damage and maximizing the effectiveness of treatment. Experiencing frequent cramps or back pain? It might be time to check on your kidney health. So those are the 9 early warning signs of kidney problems. From changes in urination to fatigue, swelling, and high blood pressure, these symptoms might indicate that your kidneys are not functioning as they should. Nausea, dry skin, muscle cramps, and back pain are also signs that should not be overlooked. Remember, these symptoms are the body's way of signaling that something is off balance. The importance of early detection cannot be overstressed. Catching kidney issues at their onset can significantly improve the treatment outcome and prevent further damage. It's all about staying alert, understanding your body, and seeking medical advice when something feels off. Kidney health is integral to our overall well-being, and being aware of these early warning signs is the first step towards safeguarding it. Remember, your health is in your hands. If you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Stay healthy, stay informed.